crass designer!
So hello and welcome to the second episode of the Crass Designer. This episode we are going to finish our onboarding journey, the one we created in episode 1. We covered a step a user could introduce himself, and after that step is completed, we ask user for one more thing. What's one of your life goals? In that positive, spiritual way. Maybe therapeutic way. When was the last time actually somebody asked you this question? What are you doing? What's your purpose? What are you doing here on this planet? What's your goal? What's your life goal? What's your purpose? So it's a nice question. A user can create a little life goal for himself. And that's the last step of the onboarding journey. After user typed in textually what that goal is, we move user to the new screen, to that place, to that thing, to that object where that life goal will exist, and leave the app. User would be able to find it, the owner, do something with it, drop some content in, maybe share with others. The tooltip well done here. It's overlapping a view, and we communicate to the user that basically done with your onboarding. Here is that little thing that you just created in the previous step. And just look around. Feel free to play with it, tweak it. But if not, fine. Just carry on. Tapping the green button. The button is basically a continue to the next screen, and that will basically let you to the app. Maybe some kind of a home view or a feed view. Again, working with the content. Everyday designer needs to be a copywriter sometimes. Sometimes you wonder, how a crass designer know what he's doing? I can see some annotations, some notes written all over the place, here and there. Who knows? Maybe we'll get to that stage as well and show that. Exporting a file, if it's a large PDF. Figma natively might not be able to export such a large file for you. transform tiny image compressor plugin is something that crass designer used. That's a good plugin. Really is. Once Figma can give you 50 to 80 megabytes file, image compressor can give you 3 to 5. It's amazing. So yeah, actually let's secure that for the future Figma creators. Maybe it's worth reaching out to the tiny compressor guys. Yeah. We actually now moved to the new plot. Now we're doing something else, but something that looks maybe familiar, something that actually is also about creating that content piece, that little post, or an update, or a story, or actually whatever you want to publish or create, or rather, shall I say, be the owner of something that you will create in this platform. Let's see what it is. So yeah, we are coming towards the end of the episode 2. And again, if you enjoy this relaxing time-lapse of somebody else's work, I guess I'll see you on the next one.
Crass designer.